All right, it's Stems with your latest installment of How the Crap Do I Do That? So today's is going to be how do I schedule a meeting with your teacher? So in Canvas, on the home page, and I'm already in here. I'll just save real quick. Oh, cancel. What was I overwriting? Huh, oh well, that's how it goes, right guys? All right, so on the home page, okay, where all this stuff lives, okay, there's the schedule a meeting with your teacher button. So if I click that, because I already have mine linked, it goes to this. And then I have to set things up further, but then a student can schedule a time to meet with me when my calendar says that I'm free. So right here, they can click staff. So you see that we linked up our PE calendars together. So if a student says, oh, I want to meet with so-and-so, we both have administrator rights over that, and we can do that. So today, on the 7th, wide open, of course, but I'm not. Now, I have not added in all my classes yet. So right here, I'm teaching right here. So you see that 8:30 is gone. And then I'm teaching in the afternoon, so that's gone. But once I get everything in, there'll be 30-minute increments that they'll be able to click when I'm available. So you'll see I have a lot of stuff on the 9th already in there. Okay, so as you go through how it changes the different days. Okay, so to do this, we're going to pop on over here. Okay, and you want to go into what's called bookings. You find that in our waffle. Okay, now if bookings is not one of your options here, you need to go to all apps and get it, and then you set it up. And then in that, okay, you have all these options on the left-hand side. Okay, if you go to booking page right here, there's a link, this link. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to go to Canvas. And then in Canvas, on my home page, I'm going to edit. And then just like we did with linking teams, it's the exact same process. So you want to click here. Now, I'm going to remove that link so you can see. So I have it highlighted. And then you're going to go to external links. Okay, so again, I'm in edit. Click on schedule a meeting with your teacher icon. Go up to the link drop down, hit external links. Then in the middle of your screen, insert link pops up. I'm going to paste it there, Control V, as in very awesome, Control V will paste, and then hit done. So now when I save, I hit this and it will take to that page I was just on. Okay, and then you can then click on one of the PE teachers at Meredith Middle School. So that is how you get to schedule a meeting with your teacher on there. So let's go through that just real quick one more time so you know. So you're going to be in bookings. Okay, I found that in the waffle. If you don't have it up here, go to all apps and you can set it up. It's pretty easy. Gives you prompts. So I'm in bookings. I go to booking page. In booking page, I highlight this link where it says share your page. And then here too, it has those options. So I could tweet this out too, and I could share via email. Okay. Then I go over to Canvas. On the home page, I go to edit. I then make sure the link icon that I want is highlighted, and that's schedule a meeting with your teacher. I go up to the link drop down. Now, because it's already linked, this looks different now. This will say external link. I would hit that, I would paste, and then I'd hit done. So that is how you can get the schedule a meeting with your teacher icon to be linked to an actual booking calendar. And then that all links up. I have already linked that up with my Teams calendar. So that's why you can see like they didn't have this option, because I'm technically in a meeting. I was in a meeting earlier. So that's why they did not have those options during these times to do that. So if you would like to do that, that is an option that you have. Good luck, and I hope it helps. Thanks.